just throw it at her.
Hi.
It just comes out of my mouth. She's like, Cindy, damn it.
Are you a witch? Are you a good witch or a bad witch?
She's a bad witch.
No, I'm a good
Oh,
carry her around
whatever.
And through the whole day Halloween
I know the real you.
Then I can
guess
say,
what?
trick or treat.
Guess what? The whole time I have to carry her around. Because I'm a stinky cat now.
Because her black cat and her mean.
Her mean.
She's a black cat and
I'll
she's
show you
mean.
mean. I'm going to paint my nails black.
And my paint nails pink.
You know,
Yours pink? I think yours should be black too.
No.
I wish I had time to hang out with you because I got that
Yes.
black crackle stuff.
Oh, I got black.
You do gold with the black crackle.
Oh, that would be cool.
And she could do purple with the black crackle. I already got that.
What color are your nails going to be?
My shirt is black.
Actually,
Yes, it
if you
is.
look.
Well, what
Yes.
color is your nails going to be?
Black.
Black?
I just can't wait for Halloween. It's
Watch out, watch
one
out.
week away.
You got it on your
Cindy's
feet? Let me come this way.
See?
Oh, those are cool.
You going to get a broom
The black crackle.
so you can what?
I worked out.
So I can fly.
Fly, yeah.
I didn't have time.
I need them. So I can give the girls.
Say
Here's Abby's.
where?
Oh, yeah.
What's that?
They're pictures. From
Aww.
Isn't that cute?
Isn't that cute?
Hey, show her your cheerleading pictures. I'm sorry I don't get to see KK's bad pictures, though.
See, here's the bad ones.
Oh, you got them?
Yeah, I got them. I just got to take them back.
See
what I'm saying? She was upset. She's like, Mom, I'm showing
Oh, yeah. That's Yeah, but she usually takes really good
you.
pictures.
Yeah.
Can't wait for Halloween.
Yeah, because see,
1 week away.
this picture.
One week
Yeah.
away.
This, wishes,
She was
cats,
smiling
cats,
in that.
cats.
And this is what I have to
Everything
be.
kinda-
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Halloween.
I wasn't smiling like that, but she didn't.
Trick or
Amen,
treat.
sister.
Trick or treat.
Should have been like, hold on, more natural.
Trick or treat.
You know, I'm so sick of
Trick or
those pictures.
treat.
They need to make them more natural.
Bro.
Like have them doing something they like to do. Take pictures.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
It was so boring. Really?
You already